Mityeng tabiriba pumnamakpu khurumjari namrata gurumayumna taramnokjari sandokjari batharam asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kayagi paudam puzarakliba Mami Mapao gi thawramni ngasi Mami Mapao gi chama humfu tarukrak suba episode asida kari karamba Mapao sing puzarakliba ge haibadu miyamda thamjage Manipuri feature film Bungna BAFTA Award for Best Children's and Family Film Fanglakibagi Mapao April thada Imphal da pangthokadariba Wedding Kachor So Gidamak Audition Pangthokibagi Mapao Sanagi Thambal haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi Yaifathoni Thoram Pangthokibagi Mapao Chaubagi Laibak haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi Yaifathoni Thoram Pangthokibagi Mapao Aroi bada H360 Pictures production gi Oida pada haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album release tawkibagi Mapao So guys, ngasigi ahanba mapauda puzarakliba asi London gi Royal Festival Hall da pangthokiba humfutara mapan suba British Academy Film Awards ta Lakshmi Priya Devi na direction piba Farhan Akhtar's Excel Entertainment gi makhada puthokpa Manipuri feature film Bungna BAFTA Award for Best Children's and Family Film fanglakpa ahanba Indian film oirakibagi Mapao asi miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Manipuri feature film Bungna BAFTA Award for Best Children's and Family Film Fangba ahanba Indian film oire London gi Royal Festival Hall da pangthokiba 79 British Academy Film Award ta lemjaningai oiraba award adu piduna ikai khumnaba ulakibani Lakshmi Priya Devi na direction piba film asi Farhan Akhtar's Excel Entertainment ki makhada puthokpani director Lakshmi Priya na award adu bu lauraduna Manipur gi irang na fangliba awaba chaiteng singi matangda thamoi shokpa wafam fongdokiba Loinana Lamdam Asida Santi Hanjilak Nabagi Wafam Fongdoki Award Adu Laubada Lakshmi Priyaga Loinana Producer Farhan Akhtar Ritesh Sidwani Amadi Assistant Director Rahul Sardasu Sarukyaki Award Adu Paddington the Musical Gi Iconic Character Paddington Bearna Kusinaraki Film Asida Gugun Kipgan Vala Hijam Sadananda Yauna Artist Kayana Maruoiva Saktam Singh Lanki
Just want to use this opportunity to say that we pray for peace to return to Manipur. We pray that all the internally displaced children, including the child actors in the film, regain their joy, their innocence, and their dream once again. We pray that no conflict is ever formidable enough to destroy the one superpower that all of us have as human beings, that is forgiveness. So thank you, BAFTA, for giving us not only an award, but this stage to express our hope.
Asigumba yamna lemjaningai oiraba award asi laurakpada Manipuri feature film Bungi director Lakshmi Priya Devi amadi film asigi timbu Mami Mapao gi maikai dagisu harauba amadi nungaiba fongdok chabaga loinana a big congratulations haiba wafam asi thamjari April da pangthokadoriba wedding kachor gidamak Arbin Tonjam, Suresh Arubam, Suresh Wahengbam amasung Jeko Wahengbam na sinduna February 24 da Classic Grande da audition pangthokibagi Mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi
April thata pangthokadoriba wedding culture gi audition pangthokri Arbin Tonjam, Suresh Arubam, Suresh Wahengbam amasung Jeko Wahengbam na sinduna April kunga marida Classic Grand pangthokiba audition aduda nupi model humpu amadi nupa model yangkai punna model chamak tarana sarukyaki audition aduga mari lainana Arvin Tonjam na audition asida mai paklaba sing jahi asigi April thada pangthokadoriba wedding culture gi show asida sarukyagani audition asida Tripura amasung Assam dagi lakpa model kayasu sarukyari show asi maru oina lamdam asigi oiba nat gi visual singbu miyam da hena masak khangan nabagi pandam da pangthokadavani hairi
Manipur gi nauna inkhaliba designer singsiga akhoi gi Manipur gi lairiba phi myam mapalam da utpat ngamnabagi damakta akhoi na handaki se ahamba oina uchabane aduga akhoi gi collection ase ayambana hadi lohong khongdom kaya kya mari laine aduga akhoi gi model sings ase hadi platform ama pi ba haitare akhoi na adugi platform se pina bai damakta hotna jabane akhoi gi model sing ase Manipur khatana tana mapan dagi hadi Guwahati Tripura sidagi lakani ko moi singa work tongminabagi khudong chaba adusu pina bagi damakta aina kana show ase akhoi ahum punsanraga sinjabane
Audition asidagi mai paglaklabasingbu Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thagatpa phongdokchabaga loinana wedding couture show asisu mai pakna pangthokpa oibiyu haizari matang swaida yamna tenba break amatang laujage khonglayang na hanjarake Impact TV bu mityeng taduna leibiyu
Hey, Mahapapi! Yeah, me masak kangdam saradana. Noi ponmak ising manung sida pulap namjilura. Ha? Pulap namjiluro.
Ibungo yai mani da sidia.
Mahabharat ki wari paringdagi miyamna audio cassette oina thoina hena tana kharaba Impact Entertainment Channel na puduna lakchari
Zagat asina kunti gi matik magun khangna naba thawoina sinba oiba tai
Are iba pot hapko aiba yumugi bai kadu tajarabani imung duna leiramba pot chai makai loina lobudi yarabani adumaku madusu nasana tawjaramde palibango
Bhimna kanana sariba kuntina kanana sariba Arjun sariba sina kanaba oirigaba pumnamak mitmang thamduna anoba mahawa makudol tamjagadabani
na paijer becheng kuba mase prithi matai mai be magi thakta sai thok jage
Yengo nangi namanga bhagavana putigom pambigi masakoina leplare namit pangkog lo kunti yengo kunti
Soidanamak miyeng tabiyo Impact Entertainment Channel da Mahabharat ki wari paring
Welcome back adom na mityeng tabiriba si Impact TV da sandokchariba Mami Mapao gi chama humfutaruk suba episode ni break ki matungda puzarakliba Mapao asina Chitra Cinepics ki banner makhada Pari Imom Films ki ani suba production oigadawriba Sanagi Thambal haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaifathongni thoram MSFDS ki mini auditorium da Film Forum Manipur gi former chairman Samjet Sabam Mangoljao Forum asigi chairman Khangembam Koleswar amadi senior artist Irom Sam Kyosorna saruk yaduna pangthokibagi Mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi
Chitra Cinepex ki banner makhada Pari Imom Films ki ani shuba production oigadawriba Sanagi Thambal haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ki yaifathoni thauram pangthokre MSFDS ki mini auditorium da pangthokiba Sanagi Thambal hairiba Manipuri feature film asigi yaifathoni thauram aduda Film Forum Manipur ki former chairman Samjit Sabam Mangoljao Forum asigi chairman Khangembam Kuleshwar amadi senior artist Irom Sam Kishorna Sarukyaki P Motilal Mitay na puthokadawriba Sanagi Thambal hairiba Manipuri feature film asigi story screenplay amadi director na Bees Gupta Laishramni film asida Kaiku Gokul Bala Sadananda Chitra Pangambam Ansel Simre Parmeshwari Shyam Kishore Ningthauza Zevidya Thoi Thoi Ghanasyam Sorojini Prem Sharma amadi Vizendra na chingbana tongan ba saktam sing langgadawri film asigi music director na Ranveer Thauna cinematography da L Radha Mohan Sharma amadi editor na K Bimol Sarmani
P Motilal Maitai na puthokadawriba Sanagi Thambal hairiba Manipuri feature film asi athuba matamda production gi thabak thoram sing loisinduna miyam da mai pakna khudol tamba ngambo ibiyu haina Mami Mapao gi maikai degi thamzari MR Movies ki banner makhada pabung na khudol tamduna Chandam Yaima Devi na puthokpa chawbagi laibak haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaifathoni thoram Imphal East District ki hangang da leiba Triple E Farm Cafe Marjing Pata pangthokibagi Mapao asi amuk miyam punna mityeng taminasi
MR Movies ki banner makhada pabung na khudol tamduna Chandam Yaima Devi na puthokpa chawbagi laibak haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi yaifathoni thoram pangthokre Imphal East District ki hangang da leiba Triple E Farm Cafe Marjing Pata pangthokiba thoni thoram aduda Film Forum Manipur gi secretary Kangjam Ronel Chandra Cine Director Gills Manipur gi former president Prafulo Pukhrambam amadi Cine Director Gills Manipur gi vice president Bimol Fivosu Sarukyaki chawbagi laibak hairiba film asida Silhaiba Surbala Udana Idho Hemabati Manglembi Bavlu Prem Soro amadi Ravi na chingbana maruoiba mamiroi sing oina tongan ba saktam sing langgadawri film asigi cinematography da Nawi Kangla editor na Bali Ningthaujam music director da Nanau Sagolmang AK Yangoi amadi Amit Tanthani film asigi story screenplay amadi director na Ozit Babu Ningthaujam Assistant Director da David Thokchom amadi Production Manager na Premchand Maisnamni.
Ozit Babu Ningthauzam ki story, screenplay amadi direction oiriba, Chaubagi Laibak Hariba Manipuri feature film asigi. Production gi thabak thauram sing asi apanba amata leitana athuba matamda loisilaga miyamda khudol tamba ngamba oibiu haina Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thamjari. Aroibada puzarakliba Mapao asina H360 Pictures Production gi makhada Hemanta Khuman na direction piba Biten Chongtham amadi Linda Thangzam anina saisakpa Oida pada haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album release tawkhibagi Mapao asi miyam punna miting taminasi.
H360 Pictures Production ki makhada Hemanta Khuman direction piba Oida pada haina mingthonba Manipuri music video album release tawkhre. Album asi college ki Mahairoi Shingna college ki function ama sinbagi team da yumfam oiraga puthokpa album ama oigadawri. Oida pada hairiba Manipuri music video album asi Chanungda laiba Unaco School, Humal Lampak Man Stadium amadi Palace Compound da laiba MSFDS da shooting chathakibani. Manipuri music video album asida Amar amadi Resmina saktam langbaga loinana Biten Chongtham amadi Linda Thangjamna seishakli. Bebicha Salamna album asigi choreographer oibata natana producer shu oiri. Oida pada haina mingthonpa Manipuri music video album asigi camera da Regan KS makeup da Nauton costume da Galifani. Album asi H360 gi YouTube page da ngasi release tawkibani.
Bebicha Salamna choreograph tawbata natana producer su oiriba Hemanta Khuman na direction piba music su yamna nungai haliba Oida pada hairiba Manipuri music video album asi miyamna yamna pamnaba music video album amadi soidana oigani haibagi thazaba Mami Mapao gi maikaidagi thamzabaga loinana makhatana su Hemanta Khuman gi fazaraba Manipuri music video album kaya puthokigani haibagi thazaba thamzari. And that's all we have in this episode. Mathangi episode ta anawba Mapao kaya galoinana amuk lakchage. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. And yes, never forget to subscribe our channel and to leave your suggestions and feedbacks in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye.